Like most of us, you have too many connections on LinkedIn and Facebook, and you're looking for a better way to manage them all. With Webtalk, you can do just that. In one place, you can differentiate between professional contacts and your personal contacts, and you can also control which version of your profile they get to see. You can add searchable tags, you can even control how important they are to you, whether or not they're going to show up on your news feed, and also use it as a CRM for your business purposes. Now, also, WebTalk will share revenue with users. So those who upgrade to premium memberships or click on ads, you will collect a penny if you've invited them. And the first million users will get 5 tiers down. As you can see, I've invited 10 people, but now in my downline, I have 51. You can find your link by clicking on track referrals, and then you can copy that link and paste it on your Facebook, LinkedIn, and whatever else